Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I needed to clean my master bedroom and bathroom, and I'm just going to start by hanging some clothes and making the bed.
Lost in the shadows of a million stars, shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck, send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine.
A little tip for you guys for when you're cleaning your bedroom is to go ahead and make the bed first. It instantly makes the room feel so much cleaner and not as overwhelming.
If I come too far, pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice, set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling, save me when I am falling, save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far.
Moving on into the bathroom, I just needed to clear everything off of the countertops, and I also needed to wipe down the light fixtures that are above the mirror and clean the mirror as well.
Halfway hard, send a little love, I'll make it back. Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
wipe down the countertops in the bathroom, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac spray. I have to be honest, it is not my favorite. It's a very strong scent, but this is what I had on hand, so I was just going to go ahead and use that. And then for the mirror, I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Spray and my e-cloth.
We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi, but I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy.
For the toilet, I am just using some disinfecting wipes and my Clorox toilet wand.
I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think
to take this time to thank each and every one of you for all of your support and your kind words. It really means a lot to me. And just thank you. Thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing. I really do appreciate it.
I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, 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 hey, yeah, oh.
Call me, tell me I'm alive. Pull me, fill me up inside. Here, in the silence of the space, we all find the conclusion. Break our illusions, way beyond seeking ourselves. Floating in my mind, taking what I find, how it is to where it's come and why it's meant to be. Dreaming I could lay in fields of Claude Monet. Sirens call my ear and I hear beautiful creatures sing to believe.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please be sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the thumbs up button. It really means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Tonight, oh tonight, I wonder if tonight is when I will feel it again. Tonight, I wish to live, I wish to stay in the